go. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking if you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know. You need to go.
Alrighty, so we're going to jump right into this video. So you want to start by sectioning off a piece of hair. I'm starting in the front so you guys can see. And then you're just going to take that piece of hair, kind of run your brush or comb through it. And then you're going to take your hairspray or holding spray of choice. And then you're going to spray it all over the piece that you have sectioned. And then you're going to run that comb or brush through it again. Now you're going to take whatever curling iron you want to use. I am using the Baby Bliss curling iron, and I'm taking it on the highest heat setting, which is going to be 450. And then I'm going to be inserting the hair into that curling iron, and then I am going to be curling downwards. So you want to turn the curling iron downwards, and you want to pull the hair through the bottom of the curling iron. So that is key. The hair needs to be fed through the bottom of the curling iron, not the top, if you are going to be curling underneath. Now there's so many ways to get to one curl, but this is just how I do it, and I found it the easiest. And so yeah, so again, you want to curl it under, you want to feed it through, and then you're going to want to hold that curling iron on there for about a good 5 to 6 seconds. Then you're going to turn your curling iron downward so the curl can drop flat into your hand. Click it out, and then you're going to hold the curl. Now this is where you can either pin the curl or you can let it drop. And this is what the curl looks like after being dropped. So again, I'm going to repeat the process. You're going to want to spray your holding spray on the piece of hair. You're going to run your curling iron over it. You are going to curl downwards. You're going to feed the strand of hair through the bottom of the curling iron. So near the part where you're going to click or your buttons, that is the bottom of the curling iron. And you're just going to want to turn. Keep turning it and feeding the hair all the way through. So this is what I mean by the bottom. Like it should come out through the bottom of your curling iron. And with longer length hair, of course, you're going to do a couple more turns than you would shorter length. That is why I like using a bigger barrel when I have longer hair, just because. But yes, you just want to click and roll, click and roll. That is the best way I can explain it to you. Get to the end of the strand, hold the curling iron on there for 5 to 6 seconds, and then drop that curl into your hand. Then again, like I said, you can pin it. And if you do choose to pin it, I would suggest long duck pins. Or again, you can just let it drop. So this is how you want the curl to turn out. You want them big, fluffy, juicy curls. Yes. I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side. So again, it's the same way. You do everything the same way. You're just going to turn your curling iron the opposite way. So again, you always want your curling iron to face away from your face, especially if you're doing this method of where you're curling the hair downwards and feeding it through the bottom. Like I said, there is multiple ways to get to this curl. This is just one of my favorites to eat. So you want to make sure you feed that hair all the way through until you get to the bottom of the hair strand like this. And then you're going to roll it all the way back up again. Hold that curl for 5 to 6 seconds and then drop it into your hand. And do keep in mind that when you do drop the curl in your hand, it is going to be extremely hot. So just be careful and keep that in mind. And now that I'm finished curling the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to comb them out. I love using a wide tooth comb. I think it just helps preserve the curl a bit more. But yeah, this hair was super pretty, super cute. Details to this wig is in the video prior to this one. I will link it to this video here. But yeah, this is how the hair came out. Super cute, super easy to do. Again, there's multiple ways to get to this one curl, but this is just an easy way that I found. So let me know in the comments, was this easy for you? And I will see you ladies in my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.